Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make salad Kerala style. We'll begin by understanding the core components that make these salads so unique and delicious. Kerala cuisine emphasizes fresh, local ingredients, and our salad will be no exception. Get ready to explore vibrant flavors and simple preparation techniques that bring the taste of Kerala right to your kitchen. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a healthy and flavorful meal. Now, let's gather our ingredients. For a classic Kerala salad, you'll want crisp cucumbers, finely diced carrots, and thinly sliced red onions. The star of the show is freshly grated coconut, which adds a wonderful texture and sweetness. We'll also prepare a quick tempering using a teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few fresh curry leaves to infuse a delightful aroma. These simple elements combine for an unforgettable taste. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Your support truly helps the channel. On another note, if you love exploring new recipes or just enjoy a good book, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even while you're cooking up a storm. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With our ingredients ready, it's time to bring everything together. Gently combine your chopped vegetables and the grated coconut in a large mixing bowl. Next, carefully pour in the warm tempering, ensuring it's evenly distributed throughout the salad. Finally, season generously with salt to taste and add a refreshing squeeze of fresh lime juice. Mix everything gently to preserve the crispness, and your delicious Kerala salad is ready to serve.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.